Reprogramming your mind might sound like science fiction, but it's actually about rewiring your thought patterns to serve your goals and values. Here's how you can do it. Become aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Is it positive or negative? Journaling can help you identify recurring patterns. Awareness is the first step to change. Replace limiting beliefs. Once you spot those negative thoughts, challenge them. Replace "I can't do this" with "I'm learning and improving." Affirmations can be powerful tools for building new beliefs. Visualize your goals. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It trains your brain to recognize opportunities. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions and success as if it's already real. Build new habits. Your actions shape your mind. If you want to think differently, act differently. Start small, whether it's a morning gratitude practice or setting aside time for deep focus. Stay consistent. Reprogramming takes time. It's like learning a new language. Daily repetition is key. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep yourself motivated. Remember, the brain is flexible. It's never too late to change. The most powerful tool you have is the ability to choose your thoughts and reshape your mindset.